This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the materials ready. Start by shaking the 3D paint vigorously for 30 to 60 seconds so pigments mix evenly. Once done, cut the nozzle to a small opening for control and test a few strokes on scrap fabric to confirm flow. You should position a stabilizer under your fabric and lightly trace the design with a washable pencil so you can follow lines precisely. Begin with confident, continuous lines rather than dots. That gives a smoother bead and prevents air gaps. Now you'll build the 3D effect by layering. Start with thin base beads and maintain a steady, moderate pressure to create even lines. Jerky motion makes blobs. Once a baseline is set, wait 10 to 20 minutes for tackiness to decrease before adding a second, slightly thicker layer. This prevents collapse and keeps edges crisp. If you want texture, gently shape the bead with a toothpick or silicone tip tool while it's still tacky, but make sure to stop. Overworking spreads the paint and reduces height. Finish by letting your piece air dry undisturbed for 24 hours so the internal solvent evaporates. Once dry, heat set according to the paint label, typically 3 to 4 minutes through a pressing cloth at the fabric's safe temperature, to lock flexibility and washability. For regular care, wash the garment inside out on a gentle cycle and skip bleach and high heat. If you spot cracking or peeling later, remove loose fragments, clean the area, and apply a thin touch-up layer. Let it cure fully to restore adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.